welcome back to my channel. This is Adya Saxena from Craft Class. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a cute pencil. So on a small piece of paper. So let's get into the video. So the first thing we need is some marker, and the next thing we need is some fine liner or a thin marker. At the time my file is not written, so I'm taking a thin one. So first step, we are going to be drawing the bottom. Okay. Now we need the fine liner or the marker. And also guys, I made this freehander. You can make it like the way you want it to. Now we have like a not so straight line. And we're just gonna the next line just above it is. With the help of some staple. Then we're going to make the eraser of the pencil. Here we go, we have our eraser there. Now we are going to get on with some detail. So detail is basically the Y face, the main motor of this pencil. So I'm just going to take this marker, which is thin, and I'm going to draw its eyes. Here we go, we are done with the eyes. It's gonna make it a little bit darker. Then we're gonna be making its eyebrows. Then its nose. And I decided to make a little bit different of the face and make it a little bit angry, just to make something new. Here we go. I'm gonna make a line. I'm gonna make mouth. Here we go. And we're gonna make two teeth. Teeth. And then here we're gonna be making the mouth line. Its chin. And we're done. It's a little bit confused looking. Just a good thing if we wanted to a little bit confused. And I'm just gonna, bring the image to life a little bit. Okay, there we go. Now it's looking a little bit angry and anxious. That means he's ready to be cut down. I'm just gonna cut it as we did in our previous video with this ice cream. If you have not watched the previous video, go ahead and check that video out. I'm just gonna make a rough outline of the cutout. Easy. This is going to take me a little while. For me to die when I'm all done. So guys, this is how the pencil turned out to be. It's looking pretty nice actually. You can hold it, and write it, But it's really pretty. I'm not gonna color it because I like it. I like it as it is actually, but you guys can color it if you want. It's just optional. You can even cut it if you want. It's also optional. So guys, that's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you just smash that like button, and if you have not yet subscribed, then subscribe. Watch my other videos on this channel, and subscribe to my other channel. And bye. And the name of my other channel is gonna be in the description. Bye.